Welcome to the unpackaging and connection instructions for the Guardian G1M Mobile Washdown Cannon manufactured by Innovative Mining Services. The following personal protective equipment and tools are required. Eye protection, two 17mm spanners, suitable hand protection and scissors. Section 1. G1M Mobile Cannon Unpacking. Using the scissors, remove the packing straps and plastic wrapping. Unfold the flaps of the box, then lift the box off the transport pallet and clear of the cannon assembly. Properly dispose of the box, straps and plastic wrapping in the appropriate recycling bins. Section 2. G1M Mobile Cannon Trolley Assembly. Locate the first handle brace on the right-hand side of the cannon assembly. Using the 17mm spanners, unscrew the 4 M10 bolts, nuts and washers from the right-hand side handle brace. Keep these components. Remove the first handle brace. Remove the 2 plastic hole guides. Move to the left-hand side and locate the second handle brace. Note: before removing the second handle brace, ensure that the handle is supported. When the handle is supported, use the 17mm spanners and unscrew the 4 M10 bolts, nuts and washers on the second brace. There's no need to keep this set. Remove the second transport brace, remove the 2 plastic hold guides. Properly dispose of the 2 steel handle braces, 4 plastic hole guides and excess bolts, nuts and washers that were removed from the left-hand side handle brace in the appropriate recycling bins. Lift the trolley handle vertically and rotate 180 degrees. Position the trolley handle over the parallel flange channel that is positioned vertically on the G1M Mobile Cannon base. Lower the trolley handle over the parallel flange channel until the bolting holes are aligned. Pay attention when lowering the trolley handle as there may be pinch points. For safety precautions, Innovative Mining Services recommends that a second person provide assistance during this task. Using the 17mm spanners, screw the 2 M10 bolts, nuts and washers on the first side of the trolley handle. Move to the opposite side and locate the second set of bolt holes. Using the 17mm spanners, screw the 2 M10 bolts, nuts and washers on the second side of the trolley handle. Section 3. G1M Mobile Cannon Wet Kit Assembly. Remove the supplied wet kit from inside the transport pallet. With the cam lock facing on the same side as the cannon, position the wet kit inlet close to the opening in the trolley handle. Lower the wet kit slightly, then tilt the wet kit so the inlet can pass through the opening in the trolley handle. When the inlet has passed through the opening, adjust the angle of the wet kit so the backing plate is flush against the trolley handle. Lower the wet kit, ensuring the cam lock slides over the male cam lock fitting connected to the cannon assembly. Rotate the cam lock levers into place, locking the cam lock into position. Locate the first safety pinhole just below the bottom of the right-hand cam lock lever. Insert the first R-clip into the pinhole and ensure that it passes completely through. Locate the second safety pinhole just below the bottom of the left-hand cam lock lever. Insert the second R-clip into the pinhole and ensure that it passes completely through. Innovative Mining Services recommends that a suitably qualified person checks the connection. Using the 17mm spanners, screw the first M10 bolt, nut and washers through the wet kit backing plate and trolley handle bolt holes. Move to the opposite side. Using the 17mm spanners, screw the second M10 bolt, nut and washers through the wet kit backing plate and trolley handle bolt hole. Section 4. G1M Mobile Cannon Pallet Removal. Use an appropriate lifting device with an attached bow or D-style shackle. Position the shackle above the approved lifting point on the cannon frame. Check that the chain or sling is positioned directly above and in line with the lifting point. Unscrew and remove the shackle pin. Lower the shackle until the holes in the lifting point and shackle are aligned. Screw the shackle pin into the shackle. Confirm that the immediate area is free from other personnel. Using the lifting device controls, gently take the weight of the cannon. Ensure that you are well away from the cannon and trolley before lifting. If the area is still clear, lift the cannon with the lifting device. Continue to lift until the cannon is clear from the transport pallet. Using the lifting device, move the cannon assembly away from the pallet. Remove the pallet. Do not work under suspended loads. When the pallet has been removed, gently lower the cannon back on the ground, releasing any strain on the chains or sling. Unscrew the shackle pin and remove it. Raise the shackle until it is clear of the lifting point. Screw the shackle pin into the shackle. Raise and move the lifting device away from the work area. Section 5. G1M Mobile Cannon Inlet Connections. In this example, we will be showing the connection with a min-sup claw style connector. Screw on the min-sup connector to the inlet side of the wet kit assembly, ensuring it is tight. Position the hose end min-sup connector to the wet kit min-sup connector. Rotate the hose end min-sup connector until the connection locks in gauge. Locate the safety pinhole on the face of the min-sup connector. Insert an R-clip or approved safety pin into the pinhole and ensure that it passes completely through. Innovative Mining Services recommends that a suitably qualified person checks the connection. Once connected, the Guardian G1M Mobile Washdown Cannon is ready for use. For all instructions, troubleshooting and general video guides, please head to our YouTube channel by scanning the QR code on the rear of the cannon handle or on the side of the cannon housing. Thank you for watching the unpackaging and connection instructions for the Guardian G1M Mobile Washdown Cannon, manufactured by Innovative Mining Services. Stay safe.